Hi, my name is Fatima Garcia Maligaya, and I'll be doing the appendicular skeleton video. To begin, we're going to do the pectoral griddle, and we're going to start with the clavicle here. This is the sternal end, and this is the acromial end. Next, we'll be doing the scapula. This is the coronoid process, would be about here. This is the scapula fossa. The glenoid cavity would be about here. The spine of the scapula is here. And then the acromion is here. The supraspinous fossa will be here. And the infraspinous fossa will be here. Sorry, down here. Okay. Next, we'll be doing the arm. Turn this guy out. Okay, and we'll start with the humerus. The head of the humerus is up here. The greater tubercle will be here. The lesser tubercle will be around here. The deltoid tuberosity, sorry. The medial epicondyle is down here. The lateral epicondyle would be just below that. The coronoid fossa is down here by the radius. The capitulum is down here, and the trochlea is down here, and this one articulates with the ulna at the trochlear notch. The olecranon fossa will be here, and the olecranon of the ulna goes in that one. The olecranon is here. The coronoid process is down here, just below the elbow. The styloid process goes here. The radius is this right here. The head is here. The radial tuberosity is here. And the styloid process would be down here. Next is the carpus. And we'll start with the scaphoid, which is here. The lunate, which is more towards the center. The triquetral next to it. Then we have the pisiform, which is down here. And then we have the trapezium, which is here. And then we have the trapezoid, which is right next to it. The capitate, which is in the center. And the hamate, which is next to that as well. Okay. Okay, and then the bones that join together to make the wrist joint are the carpal bones, which would be these, and the radius and the ulna. And then the bones that forms the joint with the pollex would be the radius right here. All right, and the next one would be the pelvic girdle. Okay, and we'll start with the acetabellum. Let me turn here. Which would be here. The pubescentes, which would be here. The obturator foramen is here. The iliac crest here. The anterior superior iliac spine, which would be right here. The iliac fossa be here. The greater sciatic notch would be right over here. The ischial spine, also down here. And the ischial tuberosity would be here. Next is the femur. Okay, so this is the femur. This is the head of the femur. The greater trochanter is up here. The lesser trochanter is here. The adductor tubercle is down here. The medial epicondyle is down here. The lateral epicondyle would be here. The medial and lateral condyles would be here. The patella is there. All right, and the tibia is here. This is the tibia. The medial and lateral condyles are here. The tibial tuberosity would be about here. The medial malleus would be here. And the proximal and distal tibiofibular joints would be here and here. The fibula here. This is the head. And the lateral malleus would be here. Next is the tarsus, which would be the bones of the foot. This is the talus. And the tibia fibula articulates with this bone. And the calcaneus is here. Then we have the cuboid is here. The navicular is up here. Medial, intermediate, and lateral cuneiform bones are here. The metatarsals are here. The phalanges are here. Sorry, down here. And the hallux is the big toe. That's it.